Welcome back to my channel. So should I redo that? It's like really dark. I really shouldn't do this here, but I'm gonna do it here anyways because I want to. So guys, I just got some canes I want to eat with you guys. So I was like, fuck it, like I haven't done a mukbang in a while. Let's pop out. Let's see. No. Okay, so anyways, I got some canes. I got a box combo, and every person that goes through the I'm like right next to a bank, so every person that is going through the damn drive-through to like either make a cash deposit or shit or withdraw, I don't know, are gonna see me eating, but it's okay. Anyways, I went ahead and got a box combo from Cane's. This is what it looks like. If you don't have Cane's in your state, oh no, it's fine, it was just right here. If you don't have Cane's in your state, like, I'm really sorry for you, baby. I will ship you some right now. Okay, I just got a large lemonade. So really the key to Cane's is the sauce for sure. I don't know what it is about Cane's. It's just so bomb. I'm sorry guys if you hear like crunchy, 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 crunch. Some people don't like, what is it called? Brain fart. Some people don't like, bitch, I done lost my question because this is so good I can't even think. Cheers, bitch. Like,
Gulp, 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 gulp.
That lemonade was freshly squeezed, bitch. Freshly squeezed. Anywho. At least I'll see if them bitches are getting robbed. I'll call 911. Just kidding. Get your bag, bitch. Anywho. Yeah. This might be boring because I'm like, bitch, how do bitches be like talking and eating at the same time? Like, bitch, this is so good. Like, I haven't had it in so long, so I'm kind of just like diving right in. And the lemonade is fire, like Gypsy Rose says. The D is fire. Lord Jesus. I got this shirt from Target. I want to show you. Hold on. Woof! I'm full, bitch. I ate fast. And I usually get like a smaller combo. I got like the largest combo. Let's see. I think, did I get the largest? No. I got the second largest combo. Anyways. Cute. Woof! A bitch is full. Why am I full? Because I ate quickly, but it's okay. And I need to go home, but I don't feel like driving home right now. Like, I feel like I've been home, like, for a while. And you know, like, when you get tired of being home sometimes? Like, that's me. Like, today I just needed to get out the house. Like, I'm tempted to drive to downtown right now. That's, yeah. So, what does that tell you? Like that. I love you guys. I'm about to go. This was a quick little mukbang. I'm not done with my food, but maybe I should continue it at my house. I don't know, but I'm full right now. That was really good. I ate a little bit. And yeah, I hope you guys loved it. I'm probably not gonna post this just because it's really short. But hey, a lot of people like short videos, so why not? But I do have to pee, and I think I'm about to go because a bitch gotta pee. And if a bitch gotta pee, a bitch gotta go. So a bitch gotta go. Love you. I hope you liked this and enjoyed it.